That's literally half a mile from my house. Yeah.
Hi, this is Ron here from the Drone Nation Facebook channel here, and we just got done flying here. This is a great flying location right outside the Spring Hill Suites in Cedar Park, Texas here. I was just out flying with a couple top drone pilots here. This isn't live. This is recorded. With Marcus Crawford and Michael Wright here. Marcus flew the Johnny Drone and the special mini Mavic Mini Johnny Drone edition, and Mike, you flew the Mini too, right?
No, I flew the Air 2S.
The Air 2S, sorry.
With the Triple Tech.
With the new Triple Tech tablet. How was the brightness?
Worked great.
Great. And we had a little sun here. It's been cloudy all day, but the sun did pop out. You can see, Marcus, point these people to the viaduct in the background.
That is right over there, and I've been daring Ron to fly his drone under that.
Well, we're going to wait for some of those FPV guys, baby. But when the rest of you guys get here for the spin up here, look at these nice chairs, picnic tables are set up.
I didn't realize about that because it's walking path.
The walking path, and see, folks,
you lose it, you get it. Man.
This walking path here will take us all the way to the Cedar Park Rec Center when the spin up will be hosted this Saturday by Kelly Shores. And look at that beautiful sky over there with those clouds. So this is the path. This is a lake here, and on the other side of this lake is a bigger lake with a fountain in it. And you follow this path all the way. It's about a half mile to the Cedar Park Rec Center. So yeah, this is beautiful Cedar Park, Texas, on a beautiful Thursday afternoon. It's almost we're a few minutes away from sunset here, and before we end this little clip here, gentlemen, do you have anything to say about spin up?
What?
Can I get a comment here on the spin up weekend or the location here?
Let me tell you, Kelly Shores, you outdid yourself. This location is awesome. This is a beautiful little situation here, and great hotel, the Spring Hill Suites. I mean, my room is really nice.
Plush.
It's plush. That's what I would say. And there's just nothing better than to be hanging out with friends and flying drones. That's what I'm going to say.
And
who do you have over here, Marcus?
Mr. Michael Wright, one of our good friends.
And this location doesn't compare at all to the Boy Scout headquarters, the flying area.
Oh yeah,
this is perfect.
Way better.
Yeah.
Oh, that was like a little pond or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna some good flying here when the rest of the guys get here.
So what we need. So we need guys like Ed Ricker and Doc Murdoch to come and show us how to FPV through that viaduct. Ron, you got a second?
We got a second here.
Can we take a walk over here?
Let's do a walkthrough. Well, we got our stuff back here, so let's not walk too far.
I'll watch for it. Go watch for it.
Everybody's honest here in Texas, right?
This is Tejas. No.
The friendly state.
Yeah.
We got Texas Rangers on the job.
It's like Idaho's the same. You know what? I'm not kidding you. I could leave my house for a week or a month and leave my front door unlocked. Nobody would bother anything.
Well, I can't say that hard. We wouldn't do that in town, urban areas anymore. When I was a kid,
so we're going to go down here to a viaduct. Does everybody know what a viaduct is?
Our drone seekers friends.
Sean Matthews loves viaducts. So this path here will take us right to the Cedar Park Rec Center.
But you know what? It's just chalk. Those people are chalk.
It's a little graffiti here, guys. So they like the graffiti in Texas. And look, all the way through there's a waterfall.
So here's what I'm asking you, Ron. Who is going to be the first person with their FPV drone to fly through this and do a power loop over back?
I am. Watch. Look, I'm flying FPV. That's as fast as I can run. Come here, look at the waterfall. Marcus, can we fly this waterfall?
Oh, look at this!
And there's a guy fishing over here. Don't just. We could fly this waterfall.
Yeah. Okay. So there again, Ken Dono, are you going to do a power loop over this waterfall? That's what I want.
Or how about come right through the viaduct?
Yeah, no, through the viaduct, up the waterfall, power loop over the top. Yeah, heck yeah.
So we go up there and then around for the. We're not going to walk it today, folks, because it's getting late here, and we got Michael on guard duty here.
Yeah, you gotta check that out. It's pretty cool.
Hey, not like if somebody's up there stealing, I can get up there fast enough to stop them. All I can do is yell. All I can do is yell in vain. Unless the person's older than I am, I'm not catching them.
Yeah.